Gun control in the United States is a controversial issue that generates much debate and divisions since the Second Amendment, which states that people have the right to keep and bear arms. This issue has been at the center of many discussions because of the different disagreements. On the one hand, there are those who advocate free gun ownership, and on the other, those who call for restricted regulation to curb gun violence. The video shows that opinions are divided between strengthening for leaving the United States gun control system unchanged, as the candidates show solid arguments. However, in order to protect the rights of all citizens in the country, a way must be found to make gun control more efficient. It can be evident that the United States is a country that presents an increase in violence due to the lack of restriction at the time of acquiring a weapon and the mental illness that increase every day in the United States population. With Donald Trump, always is one of the main reasons why people become violent. With much respect um, to to Mr. Trump, I do not agree with his opinion because he bases and focuses on the fact that by prohibiting the free circulation of weapons in the United States territory may generate more violence. However, many people in the country don't have a firearm, and it has been implied by different media that who have generated the state of violence in the United States are those who own or acquire weapons. In addition, I do not agree that young people have that facility, since a young person is a measuring made. This young person is just definite his personality as an adult. In summary, I would like to point out that the main problem in the United States regarding this problem is the lack of restriction and the passive-aggressive thinking about protection based on owning a gun, which generates that the state does not generate restrictive laws or policies regarding this situation.